Branch Studio architects took on the deeply personal task of transforming the writer's house, a project rooted in the residential suburbs 10 kilometers southeast of Melbourne. The existing structure was an orange brick veneer residence, a product of the late 1960s, instantly recognizable by its striking weatherboard facade accented with red and orange clinker brick. This house held profound sentimental value for the clients, Danielle and Adam, as it was originally the cherished home of the client's grandparents. Inside, the house was a repository of history, still featuring beautiful, bespoke joinery meticulously built for the space decades ago. However, after the grandfather's passing in 2013, the family home sat unoccupied for 2.5 years, awaiting its next chapter. The clients approached Branch Studio architects not just to renovate, but to celebrate and preserve the original architecture and the many memories contained within. The renovation and extension project was extensive, encompassing both internal and specific external works. A key addition was the large party deck constructed at the rear, ingeniously framed by 2 black aluminum perforated privacy screens. This feature was designed to establish a seamless flow between the interior living areas and the backyard, essentially extending the usable space outdoors. Internally, the most significant changes were dedicated to accommodating the client's growing family. A series of 3 bedrooms and a kid's bathroom, all spawning off a central corridor, were given a contemporary lease of life. Both Danielle, who works in digital marketing, and Adam, a screenwriter and journalist, were deeply involved throughout the entire design and construction process, infusing the project with their own vision. Architect Brad Ray noted that Adam's background in writing became a central key driver for the design philosophy. They collectively approached the individual spaces within the house as distinct chapters curated to form a coherent, overall story. This narrative-driven approach guided the entire process, upholding the joint intention that any new work would not diminish the integrity or the cherished memories of the original house. Ray articulated the delicate balance they sought, avoiding the creation of a nostalgic museum that solely looked backward, while simultaneously refusing to erase all notions of the existing structure. The design successfully blended the past and present, symbolized even in the subtle external update of the original facade, where a minimal white color scheme was applied to the existing stone and aluminum fascias, offering a fresh yet respectful nod to the home's enduring history.